This one is new. He's just budding, but we want to make sure he doesn't get, so de-leafing in preparation for Melisa. This is 2025. Yeah, trying to make sure that the plantains don't blow away. So you take the leaves off of them, and they call it de-leafing. Yeah, so take the leaves off, and that way the breeze won't be able to blow them down. You see it? See how it go? Zoom in on them. You see the rain is already falling on them. Yeah, man. This is our hills. Everything is coming in, so we have to come and save them. I'm gonna take down these plantains. I got about 30 fingers on this. No joke, man. Heavy. 2025 up in the hills, man. Before Melisa.